Welcome, today I want to show you Bit for Power running on the Quake 3 engine. Bit for Power aka Dragon Ball Z. Today we're going to see how it's running on the R36S. Just loading it up. There we go, Quake 3. Then we go to mods. And then to Bit for Power. There we go. I used the original Bit for Power files and I added the Ultimate Help Pack. Just so you can see, they have a lot of characters to select. That's very nice. Well, let's play. Standard, it's a nightmare. That's too hard for me. So we're gonna go with this. Well, let's add some bots. And resume the game.
You're tied for the lead.
Now we have some players. By the way, I'm terrible at this game, so try to do my best here. Let's see where they are. Well, that's it for today. This was Dragon Ball Z on the R36S. Yeah, thank you for watching.